All right, Mike, what have you got for me?
Yeah, we got this, 3-bedroom townhouse here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, mate, you can do better than that. Sell the home.
Oh, you want to see me sell the home? All right, come on, follow me. I'll sell the home.
All right, Mike, what do you call this space?
All right, Andrew. Look, you just use your imagination. You can call anything you want. This could be a lobby, the foyer. Look at this custom-built skylight. Even there's a powder room in here.
Come on, Mike, you didn't even make the bed.
Come on, Andrew. You just have to use your imagination. See?
All right, Mike, I'm not gonna lie. The bed was a pretty cool trick. But what have you got for me here?
A private balcony which flows into a living area with custom-built kitchen.
Okay, Mike, you are a pretty good salesperson.
You should buy it.
But I don't have any money.
No money? And stay out!